Every time we send a message, stream a video, or use GPS navigation, we're relying on something truly incredible: the speed of light. But how fast is light really? And why can't anything go faster than it? Welcome to Nexus Space. Today, we'll explain the speed of light in the simplest way possible. Light travels at a speed of 299,792,458 meters per second. In other words, light can circle the Earth 7.5 times in just 1 second. In physics, this speed is known as the constant c, and it doesn't just mean fast. It represents the ultimate speed limit of the universe. It's the fastest that information, energy, or even cause and effect can travel. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, as an object moves faster, its mass increases. And to accelerate it even more, you need to apply more and more energy. If you try to make anything with mass, like a rocket, an electron, or even a tiny ball, reach the speed of light, you would need infinite energy, which is physically impossible. Even the particles we accelerate to near light speed in laboratories can never truly break the light speed barrier. The speed of light isn't just some high score in a cosmic race. It's one of the fundamental rules of the universe. It defines how time flows, how space bends, how cause and effect make sense. In other words, what comes before and what comes after. In short, the speed of light shapes the very structure of space and time itself. So light speed isn't our final goal, it's the universe's first rule. In the next episode, we will explore how do fiber optic cables work. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.